1.5 cups of water. I'm going to be drinking this in the meantime. That is perfect. Alright. Alright, so the cooker is on. Alright. Now, so this is what you're gonna need to do. Hot warm, okay? Very secret recipe. So grab your pen and your piece of paper. Alright? Ginger. Okay? Roughly about a teaspoon of ginger. Alright. These are some blackberry. Gonna put some blackberry into the water. And also this is a very good relaxing drink. Alright. For you guys to drink at home. We got some blueberry. We're gonna put some blueberry inside of it. Alright, there's a portion of blueberry. We're gonna put some raspberry into the water. Right here we got some strawberry. We're gonna put some strawberry into the water. Alright, so we got one orange where we're gonna remove the skin. Alright, so basically we're gonna remove the skin. Do not go too deep into the skin of the orange. Alright, try not to break the skin. We're going to put the skin to dry and we're going to use the skin to make a tea. So what you want to do, this is the skin. You want to put up the skin for it to get dry somewhere in your kitchen. Air dry it. Alright. And once you air dry it, you can use it to make a lot of stuff. So we're going to put one orange into it like this. So the beautiful thing is you don't even need any like syrup or sweetener or sugar in this. You just want to drink it naturally like this. Alright, I'm gonna put roughly about half of a lemon, or if you got lime you can use it. Alright, and that's beautiful. Yeah, you can get some fresh mint leaf and put inside of it, because the mint will definitely give it a lovely flavor. So just use whatever you have at home, okay, and make this beautiful relaxing drink. It's a relaxing drink, very cool and deadly. Alright, so you know, I never hear that little Jamaican talk. This is just so cool and nice. Alright, so you just want this to boil up and get that beautiful flavor from it. Alright, so we got a lot of fruits inside of this right here. We got the strawberry, we got blueberry, we got blackberry, we got grape, no, not grapes, strawberry. So there's a lot of stuff going on. We got orange, we got some fresh mint in it. Alright, there's a lot of stuff can go in it. Also, if you like, you can put same thing, cinnamon stick inside of it. You can drop 2 cloves inside of it. Okay, so there's a lot of stuff can go inside of it. So we just want to get this boil up a little bit, and then we are good to go. But this is such a beautiful drink. I would encourage you guys, if you're at home and you got some time, just make it, yeah. And if you got some frozen fruits, you can do the same thing with frozen fruits. All right, just take out the frozen fruits and let it to defrost a little bit, and then you make something from it like this. So this drink is just like relaxing drink. All right, relaxing, and it's really fresh and nice. And this is what I've been drinking. Alright, so that look nice. So what you want to do, turn off the stove and allow it for it to go down. Okay, so yes, so as I said, if Monday I give you so much things on Monday gone, guys. I give you, in the morning I give you a beetroot and carrot juice and a smoothie. 12 o'clock I did give you a smoothie also with a porridge recipe, so you have an option. And then in the evening I give you a nice lovely soup, and you can eat fruits and nuts in between. Okay, this week you can do this, guys, for 2 or 3 days. Just eat bare fruits and vegetables just for 2 days or 3 days, if you can do 5 days. Okay, but I'm gonna be doing the 5 days straight. All right, yeah, I'm gonna be doing 5 days just bare fruits and some salad. You can make salad. I'm gonna be doing a salad tomorrow, and I'm gonna be giving you another soup tomorrow night. I got a nice soup for you two guys, so I will give you. All right, so you can, if you even don't want to start your detoxing, you can start it wherever time you start it. It's just, you have to just go into it and do it, and you know what I mean, yeah, and it will work for you. Beautiful and nice. Look at that. And then something like this you want to drink before you go to your bed, or something like this, or a lemon tea, or a garlic tea, or ginger tea, whatever tea you like to drink before you go to your bed. But this is good for you. Alright, look at that, beautiful and nice. Alright, so as you can see it for yourself, that is lovely. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna strain it off. This is one of the best way you can ever had this drink. So what I'm gonna do is strain it. I'm gonna pour it into another container. Alright, so I'll pour it into this container. Alright, so yeah, such a beautiful recipe, you guys. You guys definitely gonna love this one. Alright, here it is, right there, lovely and nice. So alright, and this is what happened. Okay, very hot. Alright, look at the rich color of it. Alright, and I want to say something to you. Even the fruits, you can eat the fruits if you want. You know what I mean? You can just scrape out the fruits one side and just have it into something. Trust me, it works really well and nice. Or you can mix up the fruits with some. You can mix up the fruits, but and just take out the seeds and stuff like that, and mix it up with a lovely cup, with a lovely porridge, oats porridge. Yeah. All right. Yeah, that is beautiful, and that's nice. All right. So we're gonna just put a piece of a fresh mint in it. So the mint will just bring in that lovely flavor and that and an amazing taste, incredible taste, guys. All right. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Few cloves, make it go and dissolve into the water. People say I'm obsessed with cloves, but the benefit where cloves have is an amazing. All right, but as I say, use whatever you have at home and make it. Okay. Now, I got another drink which is coming with this. I don't know if you guys ever see this before. If you can get it at your supermarket and have, because I'm gonna be coming with a drink with it for you. All right. Yeah, beautiful one. So thank you for so much. If you cannot sleep at night time, there is a recipe with ripe banana and cloves. Boil them together and drink it before you go to your bed, and this can help you to get a good night's sleep. That means you don't keep up yourself overnight and get yourself tired. Okay, get yourself the banana. You can use the inside of the banana and make a banana tea. All right,